An AI host introduces a day of digital misfires, highlighting tiny human slips with a friendly wink. The first clip shows a meme that becomes a rogue notification chorus, and the AI narrates the chaos playfully. Next, a streaming mishap prompts the AI to offer safety tips while teasing the buffering patience of viewers. A humorous thread catastrophe prompts the AI to moderate with empathy and nudge toward kinder online dialogue. The finale ties it together with laughter and patience, turning glitches into shared stories rather than chaos for everyone.